students, welcome to class. I got out my ukulele. I haven't played in a while. So hopefully I can remember how to play the Happy Vegan Declaration Day song to all of you who are new vegans. If I make a mistake, well, just, pretend I'm your sister and just be nice to me. Or your mom if you're young. Or your daughter if you're really old. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Whether you've been vegan for a lifetime or just a minute, welcome to the club. We're so glad you're in it. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Everywhere around the world, animals are lining up to thank you for your compassion and for allowing your heart to open up. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you guys. So happy you're here. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to look at broke vegans. What broke vegans eat. I love this day. I come here every once in a while and I check out what they're eating. Now, in this group, look, 262,000 members. They have to put a picture of their food before they're allowed to write anything. So let's have a look at what's going on over here today. Let's look. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Now, the reason I'm showing you all this is because I want you to realize that you do not have to have a lot of money to be vegan. Look, oats don't cost a lot of money. Apples don't cost a lot of money. Let's see what's in here. Who made this? Nathan Lloyd. This week's Sunday porridge is a take on British classic apple and blueberry crumble, but using baked oats, okay? Using a neutral creamy porridge base mixed with some homemade applesauce made with Swedish Ingrid Marie apples. What? This sounds way too fancy. Can't you just say apples? What the heck is a Swedish Ingrid Marie apple? Just use any apple, guys. Okay, blackberries, grated apples, some custard, Madagascar vanilla, as opposed to what? Just use any vanilla. And a pinch of salt. Top with homemade cinnamon, lemon, cardamom, and vanilla crumble. Topping before being baked. Okay, yeah, we get the idea. It's great. I think the explanation makes it sound like you're working for like some fancy cooking show, but anyway, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's great. All right, let's move on. I would so love it if somebody invited me to their house and fed me this. Thank you for your post. No, come on, let's read the rest. I don't want to make him feel bad if he's watching this. Okay, finish with a dollop of Oatly. Oatly Fresh. I guess that's Oatly cream. Oatly is a brand of non-dairy products. And I guess they have some sort of cream. Blackberries and some freshly grated lemon zest. It looks so good. Thank you. Okay, let's look at what else we've got. Oh, what's this? What broke vegan girlies eat after deadlifting 225 pounds? Protein pasta. Oh my God. 225. What does a deadlift mean? Is a deadlift like just this? Or is a deadlift like that? Like above your head? 225 pounds. I'm 105 right now. That's like two of me. So imagine putting two of me and then somebody goes like lifting me. Grab me by the shirt and just lift me. Oh, you guys probably, some of you who hate me would love to just do that. Lift me and oops, dropped you. Don't be mean to vegans, guys. Don't be vegan phobic. Be nice. Looks yummy. Oh yeah, look at all this. Tons and tons of comments. Oh my God. What else? Oh, walnuts. What is he writing here? When he asked what the mouth do, I said chew on these raw nuts. Okay, Carrie Ann. Good. Chew on the raw nuts. Yes. Why not? Lots of omega-3 in there. Walnuts is something that I eat every day. Just even if you eat a little bit, just eat walnuts every day. It's great. What do we got here? Oh, I was showing how the walnuts are crushed. I guess you can have them crushed. I don't know. Okay, I don't want to read every little thing because I know you guys have like zero attention span. You're just going to be like running off if I don't keep the show moving. Keep the show moving, Miss Katie. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. What do I do? Did I press the button to... Okay. What is this? If you're new to Jackfruit, this is the perfect way to introduce yourself. This is by Desiree Daniels. Barbecue jackfruit pizza rolls. Ah, just 6 ingredients. I'll put the recipe in the comments. Oh my God. Cool. Jackfruit is so cool. You can buy it in a can and it has the same texture as chicken. But it's great. You don't have to hurt animals. That's right. No excuse for animal abuse. Just be vegan. I love jackfruit. We have one in the backyard, and a lot of on my grandfather's farm. It's so cool. Imagine having a jackfruit tree, or what? I guess I don't even know how it grows. I guess it grows in the ground. I don't know. Wait, if it has to grow on a tree, but they're so huge. Okay, I have to research that. Sorry, I don't know everything, guys. I've only been vegan for 5.5 years. Well, since 2016. So I'm still learning all the time. Okay, what else we got here? Oh yeah, easy vegan barbecue jackfruit pizza rolls. Okay, yummy. What's this? Chips. Vegans, these are amazing substitute for sour cream and onion potato chips. Oh, nice. $2 a bag. Be careful, chips. Sometimes they have milk in them. It's so crazy. You have peanuts and oil. Why do you have to put milk in there? They put like a tiny teaspoon, and then it's like, nope, we can't eat it. Because we're ethical vegans. We're not going to have any dairy. We're sticking to our morals. Ow. It's hurt both my elbows have been hurting lately. Maybe it's too many jumping jacks. Every time the microwave's on, I do jumping jacks. Do you guys do that too? The microwave, you put something in there for a minute or whatever. Okay, so like as soon as you hear the microwave, it's your instinct. It's like now it's instinct, like that Pavlov's dog there. When they would make the bell ring and the dog would salivate because they just got so much in the habit of feeding the dog. Anyway, if you don't know that, never mind. But anyway, every time the microwave's on, I do jumping jacks. I just do as many as I can. I try to beat the microwave. So if it says 60 seconds, I try to do more than 60. Anyway. Yeah, it's come to that, I know. Because I don't have a gym. I don't go to the gym. I just do exercise in the middle of the day, whenever. Sometimes I just stand in front of my computer when I'm reading, and I just do stuff. Hey, let me show you, actually. Like I have here, beside me, I have these weights. You see? I have these weights. And so sometimes what I do is when I'm reading stuff, I just go back and forth like this, and I just do whatever, anything at all, just to keep moving throughout the day, because otherwise you just become so out of shape. It's freezing here in Canada. I mean, I tried to go outside, and yesterday it was minus 26 Celsius. Celsius, guys, that's freezing. So sometimes these are only, what is this, 10 pounds. And sometimes I don't know, I just go and do whatever. Like, I am not in the greatest shape. I realize that, like, I'm in pretty okay shape. Okay. But I don't really do much. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's what I do. 2 10-pound weights, keep them handy beside me here. And every once in a while, I just use them. How the heck did I get off on that tangent? Anyway, yes, here you go. Onion chips. All right, my favorite chips are salt and vinegar. So I'm just saying, in case you ever want to send me chips, sometimes people send me gifts. It's so funny. I love getting gifts. Anyway, what do we got here? Today's dinner of jerk sweet potato stew, rice and peas, blanched chard, and oh my God, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Wouldn't you be happy if you came home and your honey made that for you? Or your mom made that for you? Or your dad? Or your grandma? Look, it's so pretty. Before becoming vegan, I used to hate vegetables. Now I've just grown to love them. I just crave vegetables now. It's so funny how your taste buds change. Oops. Okay, I pressed that button again by accident. Okay, here. Boink. What have we got? This looks good. What is that? Cornbread? Last night, I made... Wait, can this go down? Okay. Last night, I made Shane and Simple hearty pumpkin chili and cornbread. After you almost brown the onions and add tomato paste, you throw in chili powder, pumpkin pie spice, and cumin to let the spices toast and the fragrance in magical heart. I subbed black beans and red kidney with pinto. Okay, basically they're saying you can use whatever beans you want. Anyway, I think it looks good. I would totally eat this. Look at that. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Oh, it's so cute when they take pictures of the little candle on the table like that. I'm going to do that. My husband's going to be like, what? Why do we have a candle in the table? I surprise him. Sunday brunch toasted. Everything bagel layered with Oatly cream. Okay, Oatly cream again. That's come in again. I guess that's a thing. Guess I have to try that. Oatly cream cheese, baby spinach, cherry tomato slices, herby fried mushrooms, and avocado chunks. Finished with some cured red onion and spring onion greens. Nice. Together with cappuccinos made with Cold Town's coffee. Candlelight number 1. All right, that's great. Look at that. Let's zoom. Look, who wouldn't want that? Oh, I should take a screenshot of this for the thumbnail. What do you think? Would this be a good thumbnail? I think so. Okay, wait. Command-Shift-4. Go like this. Should I be in it too? Okay, I'll be in it too, and I'll point at it like this, like there. Oh, let's do another one. I don't know. I should be surprised, or I should be happy, or I don't know. I never. What kind of thumbnail should I do? Like just like happy, yeah. Like yay, good. There, whatever. Anyway, seriously, does look so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to eat that now. Okay, let's go out here. Oh shoot, I made it bigger. Oh no. Oh no, what did I do? Okay, here we go. Oh my god, what did I do? Discussion? I'm so hopeless. I really don't want to have to edit this video. That's what happened. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, we're back here. We're back here. Then we saw this, and we saw the chips at some point. Oh yeah, the walnuts, chips. So you get the idea anyway. This seems like a good group. I come here all the time. I just love to look at all the different things. If you guys haven't joined yet, go ahead and join. What broke vegans eat? Look at this pretty thing here. What is this? Nice. This is simple, easy, clean. Homemade pecan garlic ranch salad dressing. Huh. Okay, I guess we can click on it to find out. What's this? I've been sitting on 2 cans of this and just popped one open. Sweetened condensed coconut milk. Oh my god, that's going to be a lot of calories. Now, before I begin to eat this by the spoonful, like some gloriously happy, greased, shiny pig hug, and finish it off as if it's a dainty cup of pudding, 1,240 calories per can. Oh my god, 40 grams of fat per can. What can I do with these that would be worthy of the ecstasy of its flavor? I have the normal pantry items and then a bit of fancy this and that and the other acquired over time, waiting for the perfect use. What would you do with these? Quickly now, before I gorge myself like the lady of leisure that I am. Nice. And then, of course, probably tons of, how many suggestions? 391 ideas and comments. Neat. Okay, what do we got here? Yesterday, my son came home with Chinese food from the mall, and it smelled so good. Had to make some for myself. Veggie, fried rice, and orange chicken. Made a huge pot of jasmine rice day before, which isn't pictured. LOL. I think I may repeat the same for tonight. Oh, look at that. Veggies, soy sauce, orange sauce, and these. Yeah, look at that, okay? Gardein, chicken, plant-based strips. See? You don't need to pay for murder. You can get the fake stuff, which is made from plants. So it's not really fake. I mean, it's just plants. Ooh, a little video on the side there. Oh, that looks good. Come on, guys. You have to admit that looks good. Don't say you don't like vegan food. What's this? Cauliflower, potatoes, tomatoes, green peas, and spices. Oh yeah. I don't know. I shouldn't watch this when I'm hungry. I'm really hungry right now, so everything looks good. Anyways, guys, you get the idea. Go and check this out. What broke vegans eat? And if you have any of your own foods, recipes that you like, post them in the comments and see the subscribe button below. You see it? Press the subscribe button. And beside it, do you see a notification bell? Press the notification bell because although we are talking about recipes today, the goal is to press the notification bell so you can help me to get the animals out of hell. And how that works is that more and more people become vegan and less people are eating the poor animals who never did anything wrong. What is this? Vegan pumpkin mussel muffins. They turned out pretty good. Wow, I thought they looked like donuts. What is that? Is that a hole in the middle or is that some sort of a... Interesting. Pumpkin muffins. Huh. Okay, cool. Okay, anyways, look, just so much stuff. Oh boy, all of it good. So thank you all for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Have a look at them, click around, be curious about That Vegan Teacher site. There's so many videos. I do videos where I'm happy, videos where I'm like crying because I'm so upset with people like Gordon Ramsay and all these, and Sniper Wolf, who are just so cruel to animals. So many big people on this YouTube. You know, people have a lot of following, like Mr. Beast and these guys who should all be vegan. So make sure if you ever see them in real life, if you know them, you just yell, "That Vegan Teacher wants you to be vegan. Stop hurting animals. Watch the important documentaries." Okay, I'm going to tell you just one for today so you remember it. WatchDominion.com. WatchDominion.com. Do I have my thing here? Oh, I don't know where I put it. I have so many things over here on the side. Do I have it here? No, I have a bunch of them, but I don't have that particular one. Foods. I have so many of these things, guys. Oh, I found it. I found it. Okay, here. Ta-da! There it is. WatchDominion.com. Okay? Don't worry. Just stay calm. WatchDominion.com. That's when you will learn why we are here. Why I am here on social media. Because I really, really just want you to stop hurting the animals. At least find out the truth. Okay? Once you know the truth, I can't do anything after that. I can just make you understand what goes on with the animals, learn the truth, and then come and join me. And join this group. And be a vegan animal rights activist with me. Yeah. Oh, my neighbor. Thanks to my neighbor, by the way. She gives me her cardboards. These are Cheerios. And because I don't have that many boxes, so she gives them to me to do this. Ta-da! Okay, bye, guys. See you next time. Oh, I forgot to tell you to hug yourself. Give yourself a big hug. Come on. Give yourself a big hug. Not like a fake hug, like, oh yeah, there you go, girl. No, I mean like really, really just give yourself a big hug because I know you guys are trying. I know you are. Even you people who hate me, I know you're trying. I know you're thinking about me when you see vegetables. I know you're thinking about me when you see fruits and beans and nuts and lentils. I know you even think about me when you see dead animals on your plate. I know it takes 100 clicks to become vegan, but you're getting there. You are. You're getting there. Okay? I'm proud of you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Oh, I forgot. Oh, sorry. One more thing. I'm going to put this up as a premiere, and I know that there are going to be teaching assistants in the comments who are helping to teach you guys. Make sure you are polite to them. Be nice. Their names are in blue. I want to thank all my teaching assistants so much. You guys are amazing because I can't always be there the whole time for every premiere. So thank you so much for that. And by the way, if I sounded terrible with the song at the beginning, like I'm not editing this. I'm just like that. That's it. You get what you get. Like, you know, that's it.